As we talk about testing, let's take a moment to look back at the 7 steps. Recall that testing is step 6 after you've devised your algorithm and translated it into code. At this point, many programmers, even experienced programmers, are eager to finish the problem. Sometimes this eagerness leads programmers to give testing much less emphasis than it requires, writing only a few test cases and saying their code works. However, testing code is very important and should not be given such cursory treatment. Let's look back to earlier steps for a second. In step 1, you already worked through instances of the problem by hand. This means that you came up with the right output for particular inputs. We could use these inputs and outputs as test cases, especially as we have worked out the correct answer to compare to. In fact, if we take this approach, we might apply the ideas of black box testing, coming up with test cases for what we think will be difficult cases at step 1. That is, we might think up difficult cases for the problem before we even begin and use those in step 1. Why would we want to do this? Not only does it set us up to have a nice set of test cases when we get to step 6, but the earlier we think through these difficult cases, the less likely we are to have to change things later. If we get them all right the first time, that is the best. This idea of writing test cases first actually has a name, test-driven development, and is used in industry. This process meshes naturally with the 7-step method, as developing these test cases works well for step 1. We will have you use this idea for some assignments as we progress through this course, writing test cases first, then beginning to develop your code. We'll note that true test-driven development involves only writing a small bit of code for each test case you write, and then writing one more test case and a little bit more code. We're not going that all in on test-driven development, but we'll help you get the idea of it.